guys, how you guys are doing? How's everything been? I miss you guys so much. Well, to you guys that are here back to see my videos, my subscribers, I love you so much and I miss you. The new subscribers, welcome. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Allure beauty box. I had not been unboxing because I moved, as a lot of my subscribers know. I relocated from New York to Florida. I'm loving it. And so it's kind of hard to, when you have to change the address. My boxes were going to the old address. It was a mess, but we got the Allure beauty box today. So we're gonna be unboxing this one, okay? So we're gonna start with first opening the tape. Okay. All right, so when you guys open it, always, and for you guys that don't know, Allure beauty box is a beauty subscription that it goes for $25 a month, and it has full size and sample size product. All right, well, we're gonna have to excuse the lighting. I try to fix it, but I'm working with natural light. I'm doing it inside my house this time. All my lighting is in the garage, and it's just a mess in there because I just received the shipment from Wholesale Ninjas, and it's a mess. But anyway, the first product is Hero Lighting one, and it looks like that. And this is wow, how many fluid ounces is this? Expiration is for 12/22, and it doesn't say the ounces. Oh yeah, it does. 0.16 fluid ounces, and this is a dark spot brightening serum. Okay, the next thing we have is a Neo-Lasting Revitalized and Firm Eye Cream, and this is in, it says 10 ml, 0.3 ounces. It looks like that. This is a pretty good size for eye cream. So that's that. Next thing we have is Beauty Stat Universal Pro Moisture Boost Cream. Hyaluronic acid ceramide, ultimate hydration, bioferment, nutrient complex, heals, detoxifies, and strengthens. So looks like that. And it's sealed, pretty good. Okay. I see something good in here, but I'm gonna show you at the end. Then we have Cetaphil Healing Ointment, a little sample size. Then we have Neom Organics London Perfect Night Sleep Magnesium Body Butter. So it's a little sample of this one. And this is 30 ml, 1 ounce. So it's not bad. And I could see it's like up here, full to the top. So pretty good. Okay, then the next thing we have is a Flawless Eyeshadow Squad Clean Beauty. There's a little eyeshadow palette. The packaging looks like that. And then my lighting is ridiculous right now. Oh my God. Then, oh, pretty cute, look. And this is a Just Peachy one. And then, oh, these colors are beautiful. Look how beautiful. So that's that. Oh, these are beautiful. Pretty good. I don't know why I smell it. I smell everything. Okay, and then the last thing we have is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Reshape and Precise Lip Liner. I've been dying to try this, but I'm not trying to pay for that. And this is, of course, in the Pillow Talk shade. And it looks like that. The color right there. And then, oh my God, this is beautiful. That's the color right there. It's beautiful. Oh, never mind the other. There. That's the color right there. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So I will let you guys know the total value of the box. I think this was an awesome box for $25. Awesome. I'm not that I'm a happy camper with this box, but I think the value was there this time. So the lip liner alone does it for me. So I let you guys know the total value of the box. Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys get a little beauty box? What do you think about the box? Don't forget to smash that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I have a lot of videos to record. I'm recording 2 more videos, my boxy charms, because I don't want to keep recording with the same clothes on. But since I'm already here, I'm going to do them at the same time. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.